just go. Are you guys excited?
Yeah.
What are we going to try to catch today?
Silver bream and kingfish and snapper and flathead.
Oh my god, you want to catch everything, don't you?
It's a baby shark.
A baby shark? Let's see what happens.
You can catch sharks in the harbour. Can you? That's in the harbour.
Waves coming in!
Wait, that's in the harbour.
Now we got to our fishing spot. We have to look for some fish on the fish finder. Yeah, real. That's a nice fish. Fight him. Don't lose him. That's a kingfish. As you come to the back of the boat. Jaden, take the other lines out.
I can't reel.
Yes, you can. Come on. Come on, come on. Come on. He's strong. Come on, Izzy. Ah, good one, Izzy. No, hold on. Just leave it, Jay. Yeah, it's a king. Cut this line, Izzy. Go, find him. Yeah, keep fighting. That's it. That's it. That's it. Yeah. Fight him, Izzy. Fight him, baby. Come on. That's a good one.
That's a kingfish. Come on.
Come on, Eyes. Can you see him yet, Jaden, the fish? No. Jaden, get me the blue net. Yeah. Come on, Eyes.
Is it in here?
No, at the back, inside the boat. Don't lose him, man. What? Oh, Kingy!
Oh, what? That's you! Is that keeper?
Don't know yet. Just wait. Oh,
yes! My first ever kingy and I wanted it! Yes! It's you! God, man.
That's a nice one, Eyes.
Can I hold it?
Yeah, of course you can.
Hurts.
Izzy, take that line out for me.
Which one?
It is a king. What is it? It's a crab. Oh, what the hell? Move. Get the net, quick. Get the net.
Where is the net?
There.
A crab?
Give it up.
I'm scared. I hate crabs.
Wait, don't move.
Don't move.
Jaden, hold the net for me. Hold the net, the rod.
Oh my god, I think this one's on too. What? Oh, I hate crabs. They
What
pinch.
the hell?
They pinch everyone.
Where is it? Did it fall down? Isaac, why, man? That was... I don't even know how to hold them. Never caught one before.
Yeah, Mom, I just caught a crab. Yeah, it's a huge one.
I have never handled a crab before.
I got a crab.
So I'm gonna go. Hey. Easy. Well, show me what you got then. Whoa!
Oh, that's so cool.
Might be a salmon.
Whoa. Salmon?
Yeah.
It jumped.
Keep going.
Wait, did it jump?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't see it.
Oh, a tailor, maybe a tailor. Oh, Izzy. Come on, get him, man.
Is it harder than the kingy, Izzy? Oh my god, yeah.
Lift him up, Izzy. Lift him up. Lift him
up.
Up. That's it. Keep going. It's all you.
Oh, no. Oh, that's a king.
No, it's not a king.
Oh,
Oh, king following it.
Isaac, there's a kingfish following it. Another one.
Yeah.
Another
Get it.
Quickly.
Oh, he's all right. We'll cut him up.
Oh, I just...
Look at me. Don't worry about measuring him. There's no size limit on this guy. That's a nice one.
I just want to measure.
You want to measure him?
Oh my god.
Oh, that's a nice bream. Get back.
Oh my god.
It's a good bream. It's a big bream, Jay.
They're running on
Nice. Happy?
Yeah. Yeah, and look, I'm on days on.
Oh, that's a bream and a half, man. Bring him in, bring him in.
Hey, mate.
That's a nice bream, man.
That's just funny. Mom, I just caught a bream. That big my fish is. On a drop.
Up into the live bait. He's a nice bream. Move your phone, it's gonna get wet.
Subscribe to Fish with Wag.